Hello. Today a new update is there. It's a 1.62 update. Okay, let's see what's new. The big thing is the thing with the UVs. This is point 1. UV improve experimental support enable in debug menu. Unwrapper in topology menu. Okay, let's go to the Nomad Sculpt app. In the settings here, something has changed. Now there's an interface setting and a debug setting. And here, debug, keep primitive UVs, normalize UVs. You can test the settings. And in the shading, there's now a PBR UV shading. You can see this. Okay, but it's not needed to display the things. And in the topology setting, now in the topology setting is this. There are now 4 dividers: multi-res, voxel, dyno topology, and this decimation. Okay. For you can decimate the objects like this, and look at the edges. Okay, and here's the UV auto unwrap. Can be very slow, target smaller than 100,000 vertices, and press on it. And now the UV map is displayed here. Okay. Let's test this. Export the object. Export object. Export selection only. Export it and save it to files. Downloads, save, replace, and let's test it in Procreate. Import. I think this is this. Okay, this is the object. It works fine. Now you can paint here. Let's have fun. Yes. Okay, let's go back to this is the things with the UVs, and next thing is the clay add flatten offset parameter. I clear the scene and I validate this one. I choose the clay brush, and there's a flatten offset now. When you clay here, and you can test the flatten offset, bring it down, and now it works different. Yes. Okay, the next thing is layer. This is a fix, layer fix, extra feature, keep transform, eyedrop, fix color issue with background. In the render, fix render bug when adding point light. Yes. The next thing is height map. This is I like this. Improve quality of height map. Okay, this and this is in the settings here, and in the debug settings, and now press on height map. The height map is now to create alpha brushes or something like this. It's higher quality. It's much better. Here you can create alpha brushes, export this, and bring it in your brush. Here, no, this the clay brush, and you can here add the alpha, and the brush is, yes, you can do funny things. Okay. The next thing is add 3-finger vertical drag to edit radius. Add 3-finger vertical drag to edit radius. Okay, I tested this not. Yes, okay. Here 3 fingers, swipe down and adjust the radius. Fine. Nice feature. Okay. Next thing is in the split tool, yes, there's add front vertex option. I tested. This was a feature I would have I asked for. Sorry. Here's the trim function, or now the split function, and hole smoothing and front vertex only. When you split something like with the lasso tool, now here is the background, split it, and front vertex only. Now it should only be on the front vertex a split. Yes, it's fine. Okay. I have to test it with hole filling settings, and I think I test it again. Split tool, hole filling off, better, and split it now. Yes, it's a clear shape. Paint all, yes. For painting exactly sharp edges, this is perfect. Yes, I like it. Wrong object. Nice. Nice. Okay, next thing is so many points. Gizmo fixed rotation on primitive with non-uniform scale. Okay, this is a fix, and the voxel edge sharp edges option. Okay. Let's delete this and add a box, and let's test the brush slider. Yes. Okay. And now let's go to the voxel topology and bring the remeshing down and remesh it. Okay. And now when we select this, keep sharp edges and remesh it, the edges are sharp. Yes, that's fine. Difference. Yes. Fine, fine, fine. Okay, next thing. Voxel remesher, less memory, primitive fixed cylinder radius, it's a fix. Primitive no transparency for minor mesh when using the view tool. I think it's a fix. Render use cube map for environment instead of octagonal. Okay. Improve refraction support when depth of field is enabled. These are render settings, render things. File support multiple file loading when importing from Nomad. Yes, this is also cool. When you go to the project menu and import and add to scene, import new file, and now you can press select and select multiple objects at one time and open it, and then they are here. Yes. The next thing is fix random crashes, keep objects separate. Okay, that's it. This is a very, very big, cool update. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.